Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and on the Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you would be able to pop the hood to be able to get into the engine compartment. So first you would open up the door and be able to get in here, which we have the hood release lever right here, and we're just going to pull that, and that's right there where your left foot would be. And with that lever pulled, that means our hood is released from the locking position, and then we have our safety latch in here. We need to reach in, and it's right here above the symbol, and we're going to move it to the right. So switch fingers in, move this lever here to the right to be able to unlock it, and then we raise up the hood, and this one is held up by a holding bar, and it has a nice little slot to go in right there to be able to hold your hood up so that you can now work on your components in the engine bay. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.